everybody, I just wanted to hop in here and record this little video about a question I get asked all the time. And that is, what is a 90846? What is a 90847? How do I use these codes and how do I know when to bill them? So like I said, I get asked this question a lot. Somebody will say, hey Kim, I saw my client and their family member the other day, but what's the right CPT code to use? So just a little refresher on CPT codes. They are there for a reason, and that is to properly identify the clinical service conducted in a session. So the P in CPT stands for procedure, so that is the primary determining factor on how you're going to bill. Now, whether the insurance company actually pays for the particular CPT code you're using is a totally different story. So you always want to check the most frequently used CPT codes when you call for your insurance verification checks. And yes, I always call because I'm a telehealth therapist, and telehealth benefits are not regularly quoted on the online systems. So I do usually call and check my benefits with a real person. So when I'm checking the benefits, I always use my insurance benefits verification tracking form to guide me through the call. I want to make sure that all of the CPT codes I'm going to be billing are covered services before I try to bill them. So just for reference, I do always ask about at least 6 different specific CPT codes every time I call to check benefits. And this can be a little annoying for the representative on the other end, but I want to make sure I'm going to be reimbursed for the services I'm providing. So now, getting back to the question at hand, how do I know when to bill a 90846 or a 90847? So here's how you figure it out. The 90837 is defined as individual psychotherapy. That's what we just bill normally, or 90834 when we're with the identified client. So 90846 is defined as family psychotherapy without the client present. A 90847 is defined as psychotherapy with the family present. So this is with the client and the family present. And the newest CPT code book really clarifies language around these codes and makes it a little bit easier to understand. An informant can be present for some or all of the time of the individual session, but this is still a 90837 CPT code, and it stays that way as long as the focus is only on the identified client's issues. So once the focus shifts to the family dynamics, then it becomes a 90847 that you're going to bill. And if you're seeing a family member individually without the client present, then you would bill the 90846. So you might be wondering, how do I bill for a 90847, also known as the family psychotherapy session? So to bill for a 90847, you must choose an identified primary client and use their name on the claim form. Usually this would be the primary policyholder or the client that has the actual mental health diagnosis that you're going to be billing for. So that's how you decide who to put on the claim form. Also, you want to make sure that you document when other people are present in the sessions just to justify the CPT codes that you're going to be billing for. So I hope this little tutorial helped. Please feel free to message me or drop questions in the comments below, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Thanks, and have a great day.